Look at him. Now it's time to go fast. Here we go, coming into some corner on Midpond. We're gonna bank it over on the little KX65, ZX6R, whatever you wanna call it. Beep, beep. Love that noise. Rolled into what I'm gonna call a couple last cars. Steven, get out of the way, man. Actually, I'm in his way, so I'm gonna try to chase him down on his 150R, but full fast, even though we're getting up to almost 50 miles an hour. So this will be turn one, is what I'm gonna call it. Bank it through here. Watch out for the gumballs falling from the trees. It's kind of funny, actually. And then miss the puddle there on the left, bank it over and hug it really tight and just be patient all the way around. Boom, get on the right side of the bike and make sure you push that sucker away from you as you squeeze the gas on. Just a little bit of dirt, watch it spin, full gas between the exit of that corner and the entry of this corner, and then let it run wide, come all the way through. You really should upshift here. I wasn't. Anyway, figure it out, and then the 180-degree corner, back it down. Don't tuck the front. Oh, okay, full gas, spin city on those little Midas tires. Beep, beep, ooh, 41 miles an hour. And then we're coming back around again, up. The little fouling's coming up. Here we go, let's see if we can chase him down for a little bit. Come here, boy. Come on, son, you can't deal with this in your little XR50. Yeah. Oh, he's looking good, man. This is his first track day ever. You understand? What's going on? Oh, the fun stopped. No. Oh, I'm so dumb. Hey, fill your tank up next time, yeah? Setup I'm trying to work out. So instead of using the mic in my helmet, now what I've done is I've taken that apparatus, I've stuck it on the GoPro, and I'll show you guys that later. So it's a great looking track for spectators, that I can say. They've got a little pavilion or whatever over there. Sessions here at Midpond. This is a totally different track than Lamar. The sweeping nature of it, like this long corner right here, and then flowing through that back section right over there. All of that is all corner speed. Unfortunately, with a two-stroke KX, it's very helpful because you don't have to stop and go. Because that corner right there, spinning every single time. Watch this guy. Here we go. It's hard to beat 150Rs. 150Rs, Honda CRF 150Rs. Those are pretty potent weapons as it was. KX doesn't have the legs for it. It has the torque for it. Here comes John. Again. Buddy, I'm sorry. I got it, man. It's the second time sitting there with a camera that people are crashing in front of me. I'm gonna stop showing him the camera. Just be like, stop, don't look at me. It's a slow corner, like it's not. And I saw John, man, he looked right at me and just, that was it. I distracted him, it's my fault. Sorry, John. Apologize for that. Ooh, look at this. Oh, that's nice. So anyway, just here with this little kid, he calls himself the Foundling. I don't know what that's all about. Apparently he wants to ride motorcycles with Dad. Okay, so bad news. They blew the motor in the KX. Dang, it sucks. So when I go to kick it, there's no kind of like, you know, piston making compression noises, but it goes squeak, squeak, squeak. And I heard somebody say that's really bad. So should we make it an 85? No, we won't do that. But it might need a new cylinder, it might need a new crank, it might need a whole new replace the engine or send off to Millennium Technology or some whatever thing, fix it up like that. So Steven has graciously let me borrow his XR100 or RF100, whatever. I'm gonna go follow little Foundling around, see how he's doing. Here we are going on a lap with the XR100. Steven, thank you so much for letting me borrow your ride, dude. I really appreciate it. It is not fast at all. But you know what? You're always there for me. Foot massages and just anything else I need. You know, rubbing the temples, just helping me out. I appreciate it. So here we are going through turn, I don't know, 1100, and then do the right-hander here. We're just gonna pin it. And nothing's gonna happen because it's got 5 horsepower, but that's fine. It actually is literally, I seriously believe that this is one of the best motorcycles you can get on besides my KX, which is broken right now, to do MiniMoto. It's that good. Really plush, and then just the throttle response and how you have to use the gas is really important. So now we're gonna come into these final corners and we're just gonna bend it in a little bit. And we're gonna crash my buddy's bike. Come on. Well, had a great time at Midpond. Foundling had a good time too. Foundling, how do we go fast?
Full gas.
This is the way. There's my little buddy right there.